requirement is one of the reasons to take up Ielts. Apart from that, it is required for your visa approval also. As I have mentioned 2 factors, what could be few other factors? In-campus part-time job, scholarships, self-development and job opportunities are few other factors. In-campus part-time job. One can get an in-campus part-time job in universities as research assistantship, teaching assistantship, campus guide, library assistantship and so on. Scholarships. Scholarships are being provided by top organizations and trusts towards tuition fees for students who come up with the top score in Ielts. Self-development. Ielts is also being taken by a lot of working professionals and a lot of students to develop their language proficiency in English. Job opportunities. A good command over language will give a competitive edge when it comes to interviews and placement. Providing a test score of Ielts will escalate your profile preference among the interviewers.